Nag-wo-worry ako baka hindi maka-focus mga players. Sa'kin magfo-focus. No? Sing me song please. Okay, I will sing you a song. Wait lang. No, I don't. I play feelings. I play feelings. I can play your feelings. Okay, I'm gonna sing you a song. 5 little monkeys, Humpy Dumpy. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, I wanna be a to be a twinkle star. Is that good? No, R&B song. Okay, R&B. Written, anong ibig sabihin? Written and blues. Who artist do you listen? What kind R&B? Old R&Bs or your best song cover? Sorry, I don't know how to sing. My voice is bad, you know. Like, your ears is gonna damage. Your your eardrums gonna, Once you hear my voice, after that, you can't hear anything anymore. Because your ear is damaged. I will love you, support you. So, yun. If you want to hear me singing, you need to cover your ears. Yeah, that's the tip that ano ba, request nga kayo. Wala akong hindi ako makapag-isip ng kanta. Gusto nyo ba marinig boses ko? Delikado. You have beautiful voice. It's okay. No, I don't think so. Don't be shy. I'm not shy, but I'm saying the real. I'm telling the truth. I'm not joking. But I will try. Ano ba? Anong kanta ba? R&B? Dami ako, like, I listen to R&B song, but di ko memorize eh. Hi, Kik. Ano ba? Uy, request nga kayo ng kanta. May kasi. Gusto marinig boses ko. Bahala ka, magsisisi ka, sinasabi ko sa'yo. You will regret hearing my voice. Any song you know. If it's bad, I live live. You can live now. You can live now. You can live now. Wait, let me look, find the song. No, I don't wanna leave you. Kaya tahan na. Do you know Pinoy songs? Ditching. Hi! Ganda ba? Totoo ba? Binibola niyo ako eh. Totoo. Ganda. Boss A. Hello, Boss A. Uy, anong pwedeng kanta mo? You're so beautiful. Thank you so much. Ngayon lang ako nakatanggap ng compliments after how many months? Ano ba? Di ako makapag-isip ng R&B. Wait. Na, 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 na. Old ba? Do you want old songs? Grabe. Wait lang, hirap mamili ng kanta. Try your best. Okay, I will, for you. R&B? What R&B song? Yeah, sure. No problem. R&B English song. Wait. Like Chris Brown, Neyu. You know Neyu? Neyu. Na na. For what? Fall in love again? Ho sing that.